Okay, so then what? What would be the next step? Execute. This is execute. Okay, so if you type here, that would be the next step. Then what happens?
It will show the tables.
That's right. Got it. Okay. So unfortunately or fortunately, the data right now is like this.
Okay, now you
And
have
how
to
do I convert this?
go back and say go to.
So that's the next question. So to do that, settings,
Settings.
user parameters. Okay. So let's go and try to do the user parameters. So click on user parameters. Then what? Let's see. Settings, user parameters. From here,
Field labels.
correct. Field label. Where is it? Yeah, field label. So I select field label. Okay. So field label. Super. Now order type SM01 service orders. They're all in alphabetical order. So SM01 with contract. SM01 with contract. So pick SM01 from the drop down. Okay. So let's pick this. Okay. This looks good. So I selected SM01. Then click on number of entries. There are 135. So you are looking at 100, 500, but you only have 135. So I think that's okay. If you execute this guy, if you execute, then you're going to get all the orders. Okay. So let us execute. So to execute, I click on this. Okay. Of course, I need to say select SM01 and execute. So that's going to bring me so these are all the orders, but there is no plant. So let me go back, put plant also, go to settings, user parameters, field label, say OK. Then you have SM01 plant 1200. Okay, and see how many are there. 123. It's reduced to 123 from 135. Execute. So if you take a look at these are all the IDs of the students. Let's see if I have my ID 1811 1811. You see that this is mine. So this is created by me. Okay. So let me do one thing. From here, I would like to trim the orders. For doing that, you click on settings, format the list, choose fields. First, deselect every field, then select order type, create entered by, that's the ID, plant, created, completed, released, closed, application, cost center, we don't want that, person, estimated, work, WBS element, sales order. If there is a sales order, I would like to see the sales order also. Cost collector, equity, we don't want equity. Main work center, plant per work center. Maybe we'll take main work center. Okay, say copy. There you go. You have the sales orders and the main work centers, everything. This is a good document. So let us download it. download. Let us download this information. Edit, download. Spreadsheet. Okay. Desktop. AUFK SM01 1200. Table name AUFK. Service order type SM01 plant 1200. That's the name. Generate. Allow. Excellent. So now we'll open up this document. That's the order number. That is order type. So we do not need this column. Remove it. We do not need this. Delete. This column I do not need. Delete. I need this column. I need this one also. I need this one too. And we don't need this stuff right here. Delete. Okay. Excellent. So out of all these orders, I'm going to insert. Okay. This is service order number. Correct? Order type. Created by. This is plant. Sales order. Work center. Okay. So what I will do is I will be using this data. So let us start from here. So there should be a way to filter it. Let me see. Okay. Filter A to Z. Okay, microphone data near to your selection since you have not selected the data. Expand the selection. Okay. So now if you take a look at it, it is an order. So this is the same guy, correct? And after this guy is a different guy. And he has so many orders. See this? And here this guy is different, 39. So 39, 39, 39. And after that, this guy is different guy, user, separate, another user. So we have all the way, this guy is a different guy. Okay, so this guy created all the way to this, and this guy is again different guy. Okay, so he has created several, and this is me. This is my ID. So if you take a look at this one, that's mine. Okay, so this, there are many, so we can take one of these. Since it is created by me, it should be good. No, this is not mine. Undo. Okay, so this one up to this. Okay, so we can take one of these and start doing it. So the idea is, you see several people, each one, I do not know, it could be one of you also, but we'll take one of these and we'll try to create a scenario. So I would like to take the scenario, this one right here, because it has got a sales order too. So this will be interesting. I want to take this sales order, F2, Control V. Okay, we'll build scenario based on this one. Create, insert a new worksheet. Okay, so in this new worksheet, rename it. Today is March 11, 2014. Okay, so we take take a look at sales order. We'll take a look at this sales order. 14212. So in order to take a look at that sales order, we'll go back all the way go back to SAP Easy Access, logistics, customer service, service processing, order, customer repair, display. Control V, enter. Okay, so I would like to do it again. So the menu path is customer service, display order. Okay, so the next step would be we'll take a look at this order. From here, if you click on display document flow, that is going to give you the status. So there is a sales order, there is an invoice. In fact, you have two invoices, 1 and 2. Okay, document flow. Enter. Edit. Go to sales header information. It's a standard order created for sales area 1000, distribution channel 1400. And the material master, material is service manager net INST. Okay, so from this what I'm investigating is, one is enterprise structure. So enterprise structure is 1000 is sales organization, 14 distribution channel, 00 is division. This is called sales area. Okay, so what else I got from this document? Shipping point. Shipping point is 1200. Plant is 1200. 1200 by 1200. What is that? Plant shipping point. Okay, that's wonderful. Okay, then the next one would be master data. One is enterprise structure, master data. So sold to party is 1177. Material is SM net inst. Correct? Very good. So we got this information, and we will be taking a look at corresponding order. What is the corresponding order? Service order. Which one I took? 142.12, right? Corresponding to 142.12. This would be the corresponding service order number. Okay, so now let's take a look at service order. So we'll take a look at the service order and see, investigate. So we took this number, we did the investigation, and now we take this number and we do the investigation here also. Service order. Service order display. Okay, that's good, perfect. Go back. F6, customer service, service order, display. Very good. We will be doing the same thing here also. So we will check on the same information, and most probably that should be the same information. There should not be any change in regard to the plant, and in regard to sold to party and other information. We'll compare. Okay, so let's go and take a look at this. Double click, enter. First thing, sold to party, same guy. Product, network installation, that's same thing. Sales document, we have a sales document reference 14212, that's good. And one additional thing is PC serve is the maintenance work center. This information is additional information which is going to coming under master data. Maintenance work centers. Okay, so we got an additional thing, in this case maintenance work center. So other than that, everything, the material is same, and your sold to party is same thing. Let's go and take a look at additional data. Company code, business area, controlling area, profit center, all this is an additional information which you can see from here. So let us capture this information. Organization data. Control C, and we'll paste that information right here. Okay, so we have this information with us, company code, additional information such as company code. You see this additional information, we got it. Good. F2, 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 F2. Okay, so this is pretty much the description. The description, this is nothing but description. Okay, so F2, F2, F2. Very good. So this is the additional data what we got. And there is a reference to the sales order. If you take a look at this, you have a reference. Control data. Let's see the control data. That's also finance information. So control data is costing sheet. Let's see what is the meaning of a costing sheet. Okay. Control the calculation of overhead cost. So the costing sheet is going to have all the overhead cost. So overhead cost is something connected to utilities, labor, and any cost that is not direct cost. It's also called indirect cost. So the costing sheet, if you are using, that means you are more concerned about overhead cost, not the direct cost. So here you have cost variant planned, cost variant for actuals. We know the difference between plan and actual. Okay, plan is something you are anticipating, and the actual is really happened. Maybe it's more than what you anticipated or less than what you really anticipated. Okay, let's take a look at the result analysis key. It's not there, they're not using it, but let's try to understand what it is. So result analysis is something which is going to analyze the result. Definitely, that's the meaning. But when do you analyze it? When do you want to analyze it? You want to analyze it once everything is complete. When do you say that everything is complete? It's going to be at the end of period closing. So if you are running monthly, end of your period is monthly periods. Every month you need to close the books. So during month end closing, in that particular month, how much work you did in the repair area, service area, and what you anticipated the cost would look like, and what really happened, and what is the difference between actuals and what you expected. Is there any variance? If yes, can we calculate and analyze it? Why this variation? Is it because the labor worked more hours? They said it will be done in 1 hour, but they took 2 hours. Why? Analyze it. Machine is supposed to work for 8 hours, but for some reason it worked only 7 hours, 1 hour less. Why? Why that particular work center did not operate 8 hours, only 1 hour? So that is something analysis of result. So result analysis key is something which is helping you to do the analysis at the end of your period, in this case which is a month. So they don't have anything here, but we wanted to understand the meaning of that. Okay, so this is a controlling finance stuff, additional data, that's also mostly finance stuff. Cost, finance again, you see that, labor cost, material cost. So the material cost, what you see here is called a direct cost, that's not overhead. Okay, overhead is this. Internal labor, that means your employees, that's the cost. Okay, so cost, additional, controlling, that's all mostly finance stuff. Location, that's your company, sales are everything. Components, let us see, do we have any components? Yes, there is a component. So this component you must have, this will come here. So this is the component. Unlike this, so this is the main one, not the component. This is the actual thing what you are selling. You are selling this one on sales order, correct? And but this one is not what you are selling. This is when you are fixing, when you are providing the servicing, this component you use either to replace it or a spare part, something. We don't know what is that. So with all this information, I would like to take you back to SAP and see more information about these two materials. What is this material? What is this material? So what is this we are selling? What is this material we are selling because it appears on the sales order? And what is this which we are not selling, but we want to know what kind of spare part is that, because that is appearing on your service order, not on sales order, right? Okay, with this we'll go and take a look at the details. And one more thing I want to see, operations, the same work center, PC serve is the same work center. You see that? This is the same work center. So you really do not have to worry because it's the same thing, not a different one. Okay? Header. We'll see what is this header. It's the same as what the information what we have seen just now. Okay? With this, we will be getting into the next topic. go back all the way back. So we'll see the product. Okay, so is there a way or a place I can see the product here itself in the customer service? Let us take a look at that. Technical management, material, display, customer service, technical objects, material, display. Double click. Which material we are more focusing here? SM net installation. So let's take a look at SM net installation. SM dash net inst. Enter. Select everything. Organization levels, plant 1200, storage location, no storage location, sales organization, distribution channel, enter. So this material is service material. This is not a finished material, service material. Remember that. So in order to create service material, you have a different transaction code. Create special service. You see this? Not MM01. This is different. MMS1 is service. Remember that. Okay, so let's go back. I want to give you the little heads up. Select everything. Org. This is 14. Enter. Okay. On this screen, you have 1, 2, classification, sales org 1, 2, no purchasing, general plant, and MRP 1, 2, 3, 4, no storage locations, no finance, only costing. You see that? Okay. So that's something interesting. Enter, enter. So what would be the classification here? There's no assignment. Is it batches? No assignment. So variants. Yes. So there is a class type 300. Under that they have SM net inst. That's the class they created. Network type of cable, cable length, blah blah blah. Everything is given here. Then you have sales, and within the sales, next thing, sales organization, where you have item category, service item category. Okay. in the sales general plan data, you are not doing any ATP. No, check. Enter, enter, enter. Okay? And you have no planning, nothing. Okay. The strategy, if you take a look at the strategy, 84 service orders. You see that? Costing, okay? So since there is no, it's a installation service, and its material is service material. It's not a stock item. So if you take a look at /n MMBE, you see nothing. You won't see anything for this because it's a service. Uncheck, execute. First of all, you do not have any storage location, correct? So service material type is called DIN, DEIN, not FERT, not HALB, not ROH. You guys know those codes by now, right? Very good. Okay. So let us try to replicate this scenario. Okay. So how do I replicate this scenario? In order to replicate this scenario, I would like to first have a service contract. I need to have a service contract, correct? Then from there, I will start working. So service agreements, service contract, create. So let's go and first check the service contract. We have SC, service and maintenance contract. Enter. Sold to party 1177. Ship to party 1177. Enter. And this service contract is going to be from today to 1 year. And what material we would like to have? The service material. SM net installation, that's the service material. That's the service material. SM dash net INST. Enter. Okay. Assignment of technical objects to service order. Okay. So this is a good question. And let's go and try to pick from the drop down. And the way we do it is I need to select from the location plant. So cost center and asset, okay? So let us select by cost center. And I do have a cost center. Where is the cost center? Oh, I don't see a cost center here, but I can get the cost center from PC serve. Okay. So PC serve is the work center. So from PC serve, I can bring that. Give me a minute. I'm going to bring that. I need to cancel. In order to do that, I have to cancel this. Let me cancel this. /n. Let's go to the work center, which is PC serve. Where do I see the work center? Work center CR03 plant 1200 PC-serve. Okay, from PC serve, go to cost center. The cost center is 4100. So that's the cost center. Okay, since we have the cost center, we'll go back and try to create the service agreement one more time. Contracts, create, enter 1177 PC serve SM, enter function location, find out a function location by cost center. There are a whole bunch. There are many. Let's go scroll down. There are many, but they are not in English. Pump station. There's one in English. We'll select that. Okay. So we need to configure network type. Sun select. Type of cable. Coax. Cable length. 20 meters. Number of pieces 3. Units, enter. Okay, wonderful. So what I need to do now, I need to click on edit in completion log. So contract is complete. So what are we doing here? We are doing number 1, okay, we created a service contract. By now I must have got the number. So my service contract number is that. That's the first step. Okay. Then the next step would be, since I already have a service contract, so why don't I create an order? Okay. How do I create that? And where do I create that? Order, sales order, create, double click. And this time we will use create with reference. Sorry. So the reference order number is going to be the number what we got here. 142 12. 142 12. Say copy. Okay. Again it is asking, and we'll go to the same route, cost center route 14100. Is that the right one? I think so. Yes, 41. So we'll remove this line item. We don't have any value there. Okay. So 4100, this time we'll try to put the function location name. We didn't put the function location name last time, but this time we'll try to remember and keep that. Okay, we selected something with English. This is the one, I guess. 00B01. B01. Functional, not area. functional location. Okay, so that is the function location, and function location is a master data, so it comes under master data. So this is all master data. You remember this? Okay, this guy right here is all master data. Okay, and this guy right here, it's all organization data. Okay, so this information should go here. Where? Not here. Here. Okay. So over here, your company code, business area, controlling area, person responsible, profit center, not profit center, up to this. This can go from here to here. Okay. Control X. Insert cut cells. Shift cells to right. Down. Okay. So that is something. So says that this one is control X. Control A. That's correct. Oh, this guy right here. Control X. Control A. Control X. Control A. Control X. Control A. Perfect. So this is all I would say, except this guy. Everything else is okay. I was trying to remove this color. That's what I was trying to do. Okay. Yeah, I removed it. Okay, this is what it is. So the functional area is also enterprise data, like all of this. Only this stuff is not. Cost center. Okay. So now let's go back and see what we are doing here. Enter. Okay. So this is the date. So complete delivery. Okay. Everything is perfect. And edit. Incomplete log. Document is complete and save it. So we have an order. So we'll go back here and we'll put the second step. Create a sales order to sell SM network INST. That's a service, right? Create a sales order to sell because this material is a service material. So obviously this material, since it is a service material, so since it is a service, it doesn't exist in the storage location because it's a service, not a product, right? Okay. Then what will be the next step? The next step is going to be, we have to have a service order, correct? So let's go and create a service order with reference to our order. Service order, create. Order type SM01, priority high, function location 00 something, right? So function location we forgot, 00 dash is the one. F2, Control C, Control V. Plant, everything is perfect. Okay, so we'll hit enter. Check priority, check the priority. So select the planning plant. The planning plant is 1200. So business area is 9900. So let's see what the business area. Business area 800. That's right. Why is it saying that? Deviant business area. Let's see what it is. Okay. Warning message. Okay. So that's just a warning message. So if you hit enter, that's going to go away. Okay. So the sold to party 1177. Sales document is is what was our sales document? Oh, we didn't note it down. Okay, we did not note it down. VA03 enter. I think this is the one. 20452. 20452. 20452. 20452. So is this the real number? Is it correct? Let us check. How do I check again? C16 V VBAP VBAP enter settings user parameters field label material SM dash um, net okay plant 1200 okay what else created on today number of entries 2 execute okay so we have two orders one is 20452 which is our order 20452 20452 that's our order and 40,369 40,369 that is also our order so we are in good shape so that's correct since it is correct I am going to type that number 20452 20452 okay and enter 20452 different customer and document and contract that is not correct 20452 has got same customer let us check why Why is it lying like that? VA03205552 enter. 117, same customer. 1177, same customer. 11, oh, that's wrong. Yes. So, okay. So we made a mistake. So obviously /m, go back. We will create, what are we trying to do now? Oh, we are creating a service order, right? Double click. SM01, very high. Function location. And equipment. Do I need to give equipment? Let me open. 1200. Enter. Sold to party 1177, not 7. And the sales document 20452. Enter. 20452 is not available. Why is it not available, my dear friend? Okay. I removed that for now. And I'm also going to remove this guy, PC server. I'm going to put PC server. I'm going to hit enter. Oh, this is 1000 is wrong. Well, front, enter. Okay, so now what next? Sales document, it is not really taking that number, sales document. Why is it not taking? Can I use my 40,369? 40,000, 40,000, 1, 2, 3, 369. No, we cannot. Can I use 20452 and the 0010 line item? Let us get this number. That is the issue. Okay, enter. You see that? So it is expecting for 10. That means the first line item. Now it is happy. So we could reference that and we could give correct sold to party operations. It's all correct. Header data. That's all correct. Components. It's correct. Cost. Correct. Partners. That's good. Object. Good. Additional data. Good. Location. Good. 1000. 14. 00. That's also good. Planning, good. Controlling, very good. Since everything is good, I think I can start the next work, which is check for the component availability. Select this component, check for the availability. It is available, and calculate the cost. It's done. Schedule the order. It's done. Release. Done. Save. Okay. So we got an order. Okay. So we got an order. We'll put that order here. Very good. So we did all of that. Then the next one would be go back, and we need to confirm this order, right? So go to logistics, customer service, service processing, confirmation, entry, individual. This is our number. Since we have only one operation, no, we have several operations. So let's do one by one. Select this operation. Confirm it. Zero, zero, 1, 0. We got this operation. And 10 hours actual work, remaining work is 0. Actual duration 10 hours. Enter. And save it. Very good. And do we have 0020? Let us check it up. Yes, we do. Actual at 15 work 15, and actuals 15. Everything is 15. Save. Wonderful. Do we have 0030? Yes, we do. 2 hours work. 2. Save it. And do we have 0040? Yes, we do. 2. 2. Save it. Again, 0050. Do I have? No. So it's only 4 operations. We don't have another one. So business complete. We have completed the whole business. Then after completing all this, we'll go and try to see whether we can bill the customer. Okay? How do we do that? VF01. So that's the sales order number. Okay, we got that money right there. Save it. Okay, so that means we started selling our services. We have a contract, then we sold our services, and then after that we received a service order from the customer. So we have a service order. Then after that we did the confirmation. Correct? So here the next one, fifth one is bill the customer. Okay. So over here, what I would like to do is I will put F2 and try to put this number here itself, 20452. Okay. So we created a contract, then we created a sales order to sell our services since we have a contract, and we said we have created a service order. This is, to be more precise, service order. Service order with reference to contract. So we did that. So that is the number, and we did the confirmation. Okay, and we bill the customer. We must have got the billing number by now. Not this one. So the billing document number is okay. So that's what we did just now. This is what we did. So we'll save this, and I'm going to upload this document to Vigio. Okay. So that's for today.